Hi, it's Sandra Karas. I'm your Secretary Treasurer of Equity. I'm also the Director of your VITA program, and I'm here with tax tips. Today's tax tip is about filing extensions. Who needs to file them? When do you need to file them? Does it matter if you don't file them? Well, first of all, who needs to file them? Anyone who doesn't plan on filing his or her tax return by April 18th of this year, that's the due date this year. It's extended a little because the 15th falls on a weekend. So if you're not planning on filing your tax return by the due date, you should file for an extension. And what does that buy you? Well, that buys you 6 months of time to gather your records, come in off the cruise ship, come back from visiting mom and dad or whatever you're doing on the tour, and get your records together and file your returns on time. That takes us to October 15th, right? However, what happens if you owe some money? Do you have until October 15th to pay it? No. The tax is always due on the due date, the regular due date of the filing of your return. So this year, that's April 18th. If you think you're going to owe any tax to the federal or your state, then you want to make sure that you send it in, either by check or do it online through a direct debit from your bank account. Either way is fine as long as you get the tax paid by April 18th. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not even sure how much tax I owe. Well, if you base it on last year, you might come close. If you think you're going to get a refund, of course, you don't have to send in anything. So that's a very personal decision. You might want to consult with someone before you file your extension. At the very least, an extension is due if you can't get the return in, okay? And that's this year, April 18th. And don't forget your home state, not just IRS, but your home state. And they all have extension forms, or virtually all of them. So make sure you get both of them filed by April 18th.